If the sum of 5 conjugated terms of AP is 25, product of these terms is 2520. If one of the term is minus 1 upon 2, then value of greatest term is what here? Therefore, 5 terms in API. Therefore, take care a minus 2d, then plus a minus of d plus a plus d plus a plus 2d. Its sum is 25. They already given. This is the first term, then second term, third, fourth, and fifth here. Then minus 2d plus 2d cancels here. Minus d plus d cancels. Therefore, 5a is equal to 25. Therefore, the value of a is 5. And it's a product a minus 2d into a minus d into a plus d into a plus 2d is equal to 2528. Then the product of these two terms gives a square minus of 4d square here. Then a square minus d square into a is equal to 2528. But a value is 5, so is there. 5 square is 25 minus of 4d square. Then again 5 square 25 minus of d square, and a value is 5 is equal to 2528. 5 ones are 5, then 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 5 fives are 25, then 0, 5 fours are 20, then 25 25 are 6 25, 25 into d square minus of 25 d square, 25 fours are 100 here, minus of 100 d square, minus into minus plus 4 d raised to 4, minus of 5 not to 4 is equal to 0. Then 4 d raised to 4 here, 4 d raised to 4 minus of 125 d square, 625 minus 5 not 4 gives 121 here. That is equal to 0. It is a quadratic term here, quadratic factor. Therefore, 4 into d raised to 4 minus of 4 d square minus of 121 d square plus 121 is equal to 0. Minus 4 minus 121 gives minus 125 d square. Then from these two terms here, so 4 d square is the common factor here. Hence d square minus of 1 here, and here minus of 121 is the common factor. So d square minus 1 that is equal to 0. Then d square minus 1 is the common here. So d square minus 1 into 4 d square minus of 121 is equal to 0. Hence d square is equal to 1, or d square is equal to 121 by 4. Therefore, d is equal to plus or minus 1 here, or d is equal to plus or minus 11 divided by 10. If d is equal to plus or minus 1, if d is equal to plus or minus 1, then there is no term like minus 1 by 10, because they already given here. If one of the term is minus 1 by 2, suppose if d value plus or minus 1, you will not get the one term minus 1 by 10, because these are the terms here. This is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, this is the fourth term, and this is the fifth term here. A value is a 5, d value plus or minus 1. If you substitute here, you will not get such type of term here. Okay, then there is no term like minus 1 by 2. Therefore, take d is equal to 11 upon 2 here. Therefore, d is equal to 11 divided by 2. Can substitute like here. Just use here 11 upon 2. So a value 5 minus of 11 by 2. 5 2s are 10 here. 10 minus 11 becomes what here? Minus 1 by 2. So there is a minus 1 by 2 here. Therefore, if d value is 11 upon 2 here, then one of the term is minus 1 by 2 is there. Here we want the greatest term here. Here greatest term should be a plus 2 here. Therefore, greatest term is equal to a plus 2d. Therefore, a value is 5, d value is 11 divided by 2. Therefore, this 2 cancels. 11 plus 5 becomes 16 here. Therefore, B is the answer here. So, if alpha, beta, gamma are the 3 conjugative terms here. Alpha, beta are the 3 conjugative terms of a non-constant GP such that the equation alpha x square plus 2 beta x plus gamma is equal to 0 and x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0 have a common root, then alpha into beta plus gamma is equal to what here? Therefore, they given here alpha, beta, gamma are in GP. Here alpha is the first term here. Therefore, take care alpha and take care second term is beta here. So alpha r plus comma gamma is the third term alpha r square r in GP. Here r is the common ratio. So beta is the second term here. So take alpha, gamma is the third term alpha r square here. Alpha r square r in GP. Therefore, this is a given equation here. Given that so alpha x square plus 2 beta x here plus gamma is equal to 0. So alpha x square keep as it is here, then plus 2 beta is this one here, alpha into r. So 2 alpha r into x plus gamma is alpha r square here is equal to 0. So dividing both sides by alpha here, so we get x square plus 2rx plus r square is equal to 0. Hence x plus r whole square is equal to 0. Then x plus r is equal to 0. X is equal to minus r here. Okay. Here they given both equation have the common root here. Both equation have common root. Therefore, x equal to minus r satisfying this equation also. Okay. So put x equal to minus r in x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0 because both having a common root here. Therefore, x equal to minus r is root of this equation. X equal to minus r is root of this equation also. So substitute here. Minus r whole square is r square here. Minus r minus of 1 equal to 0. Hence r square is equal to r plus 1 here. R plus 1. Here we want this result here. So alpha into beta plus gamma is equal to, okay. Here beta is alpha r here. So alpha into alpha r plus gamma is this one, alpha r square here. Alpha r square. Therefore, alpha r is a common here. Alpha into alpha r common factor 1 plus r here. 1 plus r. Alpha into alpha becomes alpha square here. Alpha square r into 1 plus r. But 1 plus r is r square here. So right here r square. 1 plus r is this r square. Therefore, alpha square into r, alpha into r square can be written as alpha r into alpha r square here. Then alpha r is a beta. Alpha r is a beta here. And alpha r square is a gamma into gamma. So beta into gamma here. Therefore, fourth option is correct here. Beta into gamma. So A1, A2, A3 dash 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 are in a pair such that A1 plus A7 plus 16 here. A1 plus A7 plus A16 is equal to 40 is given here. Then sum of first 15 terms of this AP is what here. Therefore, write A1 as it is here. Then plus A7 means A plus 6 into D. A16 means A plus 15 D here. Here D is the common difference here. Take care A1. A1 plus A1 plus A1 is 3A1 here. 6 plus 15 here. 21 into D is equal to 40 here. Dividing both sides by 3 here. So A1 plus 7 into D is equal to 40 divided by 3 here. Here we want sum of the first 15 terms here. Therefore, S15 is equal to S15 is equal to 15 divided by 2 into A1 plus so 15 minus of 1 into D. Therefore, this equal to 15 divided by 2 into bracket 2A1 plus 14 D. Then 2 common factor here. So 15 divided by 2 into bracket A1 plus 7 into D. This two cancels here. Here they given A1 means A1 plus 7 is this one. So use here. So this equal to 15 into 40 divided by 3 here. Therefore 3 ones are 3 5s are. Therefore 5 into 40 becomes 200 here. Therefore 200 is answer. First one.